It happened again today. I watch people yell at baristas because they gave them the wrong fucking milk of the fucking moment. They're like, I said oatmeal milk, dick. They're buying $7 coffees and they're mad about the milk. We've just lost complete and utter perspective of how we just lack gratitude. You're fucking alive and you're capable. Go do, nobody cares about your fucking problems. They have their own problems, asshole. I don't know. I mean it. It's such a bad use of energy, right? Like, if you don't like it, fix it. The lack of accountability in the system right now, like social media, delete Instagram off your phone if it's ruining your life. It's free. I'm confused out here. I really am. And then my favorite thing, watching 50 to 70-year-olds shit on millennials when they're the ones who fucking parented them. This generation blows. Maybe if you didn't give them an 8th place trophy, they wouldn't be entitled, Susan.